Hey, what's up? It's your boy. Haven't uploaded an entire month here. Back with another gangster video. I suck at everything. Anyways, the reason I haven't uploaded in a month is a very good reason. So the reason is I am a lazy bastard. Alright? And so, I was like, I have to upload a video, but actually no, because I never think about uploading videos. I never feel responsible for any of this. Anyways, I was like, you know what? So I was just chilling in my room, masturbating to Waluigi hentai, and my parents just barge into my room, and they just do not understand the holiness of our almighty savior Waluigi, and they spank me until I'm red. And I was like, you know what? I need a way to prevent that. So I was like, hey, can I, one, make a motherfucking lock for my door, or two, make an extremely overcomplicated robot? Guess what this video is? Yeah, I'm gonna make a robot that screams at people when they try to enter my room. And probably none of you could be wondering right now, hey, how are you gonna do that? Well, it's simple. So there's this thing called proximity sensors. It's a sensor that senses how far something is from you. And this is like a technology that they use for like blind people, for them to navigate. Like they have it in their hands, they walk around, there's something, the computer goes like, oh, there's something in your way, please turn to the left, or please turn to the right. But who cares about helping blind people? That's losers do that. We make devices that scream our family members and roommates if they try to enter our rooms. Now you may be asking yourself, hey Lane, are you gonna use any of all of this shit ton of electronics over here, like actual electronics, like the actual sensor you have, the real Arduinos, real batteries? No, that's just some nerd shit. You know what I'm gonna be using? I'm gonna be using this shitty phone, but I guess I have to work with it. And I'm gonna be using this website, MIT App Inventor, so you can use this Connect thing with an app on your phone to like have a live application maker on the PC, like instantly goes to your phone, which is actually quite sick, I'm not gonna lie. But it has a few problems, and you may be asking, hey Lane, why are you using this shitty like drag and drop thing? Why aren't you using Java, Python, anything like that? Well, it's very simple. First of all, Java fucking sucks. If you disagree, your opinion also sucks, and it's probably 100% based on Minecraft. Second of all, well, you see, this thing is a lot faster and easier to load, and I can't do Python or anything that requires actual skill or intellect at all. So I'm using this. And just like that, the whole thing is completely done. And the annoying squares like on the thing, they're not visible on the phone, which is where you're gonna be using this. Because, for example, if I click here, nothing happens. They'll open this, but it won't actually do what it's supposed to do. It only works if I click here. But alright, so basically what it does right now is it's just gonna play a particular noise when I click. You see, so there's a problem. We haven't recorded the noises. And yeah, let's just get to that. Knock on the door. Alright, let's test that. Yep, beautiful. And now, does it work or not? Let's see. Knock on the door. That's a bug I'm not gonna fix. Oh wow, look, that was very hard. I fixed it by putting a longer time between each time it can get triggered, so. Knock on the door. Seems promising.
Knock on the door.
I'll consider that done, even though it still has a lot of bugs and barely works.
Hey, would you be interested in buying the new Family Harasser 9000?
What the fuck is that? Well, I'm very glad you asked. It's the all new, the newest, the greatest, and the best creation of Satan, maybe. It's so compact. Look at that user interface. Absolutely beautiful. And you may be asking, what does it do? Well,
knock on the door.
But how would that be useful in any way, shape, or form? Well, I'm also glad you asked. Piece of shit, just buy it. Well, if you're sitting in your room drawing, you're asleep past your bedtime, just committing various war crimes, drawing Rule 34 porn, just really anything. And your parents, your roommates, your children, your wife, anyone, they just want to get into your room. They don't knock on the door. They're just so impolite. Well, it's very simple to fix this. You just put this under your door frame, and when they do this.
Knock on the door.
See, it's beautiful. You see, it'll always work, never breaks. There's just no possibility of it ever breaking. There's no way. It's just perfect. But how would I put it under the door frame like it's a phone app? Well, I'm so glad you asked, you little piece of shit. Look at this customer. Put it on. Fucking shit, I gotta make sure thing doesn't break. Should be fine. Now just get a bunch of tape. And you may be asking yourself, how easy is it to put this where it needs to be? Alright, do I get to leave the basement after this? Okay, alright. So this is a very easy model to attach. I'm gonna attach it right here actually. So you just suspend it like hell. I hate this law. Nobody might back up with you. Never get the views anyway. Wow, look! It worked! Oh, I better check if my son is watching Waluigi hentai. Oh wow, he's right. I should totally knock on my son's door before entering the room and seeing him masturbating to Rule 34 hentai. I swear to God. So if you are interested, please buy our amazing products that you later will have to spend 5 minutes taking off all of this fucking... You can buy it by going to our non-existent website or calling 555-555. Go fuck yourself in the ass. 555. 37 times at 3 a.m. You can buy for $500,000 or suck in my dick. If you have further questions, you can go eat a giant fucking schlong, you piece of shit. Anyways, no seriousness. Thanks for watching. Bye.